like that. All right, seriously, one of you have to teach me some dance moves, guys. Some cool TikToks or something. I gotta keep these interesting, and I'm running out of moves, and Baby Yakko can only do so many dances. All right, hope everyone's doing well. Let's review these large sounds cards, the new ones that are influenced by the W. Everybody show me a W. This W does crazy things sometimes to vowels and R control sounds. Like in this one, AR, warm, or. And in this one, OR, worm, Okay, and let's look at the little cards as well. We have AR, car, R, AR, beggar, AR, warm, or. And we have our ER. You know, what do we know about ER? Her, That's right. What do we know about UR? Burn, That's right. What do we know about IR? Bird, That's right. And then we've got our OR, keeping things interesting. OR, horn, or. OR, doctor, and OR, worm, So this says twice, after the W or at the end of a multisyllabic word. These two little sneaky R controls. Okay, great. So now we need to talk about that rule. Remember that rule, the 1-1-1 rule? Well, we have to talk about it when it's a 1-1-1 and an R control syllable. So I'm going to write some words here, and you are going to tell me all the ones that are 1-1-1 words. And remember, that means it's one closed syllable with one vowel and just one consonant after the vowel. Okay, here we go. So I'll write 3 in a line, and you'll tell me which one is the 1-1-1. Which one there is 1-1-1? They're all one syllable, so it checks that. They're all, are they all closed syllable though? Nope, this isn't a closed syllable, it's an R-controlled syllable. And is this one have a short syllable closed sound? No, that's actually not. So we only have this one. This one is one closed syllable with one letter after it, one consonant after it, and one vowel. The W acts kind of like a vowel team there, right? O-W, snow, O. That's why that isn't. So this is a 1-1-1, yay! All right, let's check another one. If I give you, how about stir, chop, and bake. These are all kind of cooking words. Which one's 1-1-1 there? Well, these ones aren't closed syllables, so it's only this one. One closed syllable, one vowel, one letter after. Chop. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, which one? This one's R controlled, it's not that. This one has 2 consonants, it can only have 1. So it leaves us wag. Okay. So you have to first be able to identify that it's a word that's going to be the 1-1-1 rule. So let's take a look at this word here. This was one of the ones on the list. This we said was 1-1-1 because it's one closed syllable with one vowel followed by one consonant. Okay, so it passes the test. Let me show you one other word to check. How about this one here? What does it say? Tar. So we have spin and tar. This has only one consonant after the vowel, and it's an R controlled. We normally say it has to be a closed syllable. Okay, but now I just want to know If it's a one-syllable R control word, something's going to change. The answer for all those other questions are going to be yes, right? One vowel, one consonant after the vowel. So 111 rules are going to change a little bit. It can either be a closed syllable or an R control. So if we went back to that original list, some of them would change because you have a new bit of knowledge now. So if it's R controlled and there's no other consonants and only one vowel, this is now part of the 111. So now let's go back to that list and see if what we find changes. In this first row before, we said it was only spin, but is there another one that's 111 now? Yeah, tar. Tar passes. All that matters is that it's got one vowel followed by one consonant in one syllable. How about in this row? There's only one that isn't, the vowel consonant E. These are both one syllable, one vowel, one consonant. In our last row, test, but dirt. Well, does dirt work? No, look, because it's got two consonants, so that one still doesn't work. Okay, are you getting the new rule that we learned? Good. Okay, so we had the word spin. Let me make a new word. I want to add a digraph th. What does it say now? Spin. That's right. So if we are going to add some suffix endings, let's look at our suffix. How are they organized? All of these are what? Vowel suffix, and all of these are consonant suffix. Good. So which kind of suffix can we add without changing the word? The vowels or the consonants? The consonants don't change the word. So look at this. If I have thin, I could add a consonant suffix like ly, thinly. You need to slice the vegetables thinly to put them in the soup. Okay? But if we're going to add a vowel suffix, then the consonant's doubled. Do you remember this rule? So if we need to do a vowel suffix here, like this marker is thinner than this one, we have to double this. So I would need another N. So whenever a vowel suffix is added to a 111 rule, the last consonant is doubled. Okay. It's going to be the same with R control words. So check out this one. Let's go back to our word. What does this say? Stir. So if we are going to need to add a vowel suffix, like I'm stirring, since it's a vowel, I have to double it. So I'm going to need to add another R. Excuse me? Okay, so here we have stirring. And notice that in an R-controlled syllable, when the consonant doubles, the vowel keeps its same sound. Okay, it's going to keep the R-controlled sound. Let's look at a couple more words. What if I change the IR to AR? What word do we have now? Star. And if I want to say it's a starry night, I would be adding a vowel ending. The Y would be a vowel suffix. So I would need double the R. And this still sounds like R. And I say that because remember we learned about in a lot of words, when we have an R after the AR, it changes the sound. Like this one, carry, it makes the AR sound different, like a short A. When it's a suffix ending, that does not happen. Okay. Let's practice some, okay? I want you to go ahead and get your whiteboard and practice some of these sounds. So you need your whiteboard and your marker. And let's start with the word starring. The new movie is starring Baby Echo. What would the base word be? Star. So do star and then make it starring. So go ahead when you do star, and then you're thinking you're adding ing, so you have to double the R. Starring. And we can underline the base word, circle the suffix, and put a star over that extra R. And notice, if we didn't do the extra word, the extra R, what would the word be? Staring, because stare would have the E at the end that we get rid of. Staring. Stop staring at me. Starring, staring. Okay, let's erase and try another word. Repeat after me. Blurred. Her vision was blurred when the mirror was foggy. What would the base word be? Blur. So write blur. Is it a 111? So if we're adding a suffix, a vowel suffix, blurred, it sounds like just d, but we know it's ed. So we have to double that R. Blurred. Underline the base word, star the extra R, circle the suffix. Okay, now let's do this one. Blurs. When I erase, it kind of blurs the letters. What's the base word? Blur. What's the suffix? Blurs. Sounds like a Z, but it's an S. It's a consonant. Do we do anything? Nope, we just add it. Blurs. Good. Okay, repeat after me. Stirred. He stirred the pot. Do the base word. Stir. Stir. Is it a 111? And what are we adding? Stirred. Sounds like a D, but what is it? ED. It's a vowel. So if it's a vowel, what do we have to do? Double the R. Add the suffix ending. Go ahead and mark it. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Star the bonus letter. Should look just like that. Okay. One more word. Stars. Look at the beautiful stars. What's the base word? Star, R. And then we're saying stars, more than one star. Suffix or consonant? It's a consonant. Do we do anything? Nope, just add the ending. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Very nice job. Let's erase it. And let's end with a sentence today. It is blurry in this fog. It is blurry in this fog. Okay, when you finish, point to each word. Make sure you have them all. It is blurry, base word blur, in this fog. Start with an uppercase and with a stop sign. Pause until you finish. Okay, read your sentence. It is blurry in this fog. Fix up anything you need to. We have a base word, a bonus, an extra R, we needed to double it, and a vowel ending, blurry. When you're finished, we can erase and put our materials away. We will stop there today. Great job, my friends. See you next time.